Hey, I'm Brian Inskip with Surf Homes NC, and I want to introduce you to another new property, my latest listing here on Oak Island. This one's a duplex, so you got 2 units to rent, to use, or do a combination. Long-term, short-term rentals, personal use, or you can mix those up, long-term on one side, short-term on another, keep one totally for personal use. There's so many options, and I also just love the location on this property. Totally central, near restaurants, Middleton Park for summer concerts and festivals, beach access just a block away on 40th Street. So this property's got everything going on for it. So many options for you, but that's enough of me talking about it. Let's go take a look inside and see how this remodel came together.